guys, welcome back to another new video of the Immortals Gaming channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to download Minecraft for free. So I already have Minecraft, and I'll show you how to download that for free today. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Wait a second. So now I'll teach you how to download Minecraft. So go to your Google, open Google, and search a app called Happy, not Happy Birthday, Happy Mod. Okay, search Happy Mod. What? What is search? Your Happy Mod. So you're gonna get this alien kind of icon. The first icon which you see, the alien kind of icon. Just press that icon. Yeah, just click on the www.happymod.com and you can see download app over here for 7.76 MB. And if they ask for any cookies or something, please decline that thing. Because it's safe to decline them. So download app, press, it's completely free. Yeah, it is free. Download this app. Just click download. You should wait for a while, and it'll tell it's gonna harm your device, but it won't, because I'm using this app from it's really harmless, because I download every single app for, like, I can download every single app for free. It's not harmful, and Happy Mod is downloaded, guys. Wow. It's very quick download. Where is that app though? Wait a second. Did it download? So click open over here and it's gonna install. Yeah, so it's gonna install, and till it installs, smash the subscribe button and break the like button. Don't break your phone, just like smash it, just smash it slowly, just like very slowly, don't smash it hardly. Yeah, so Happy Mod looks like this. So let's open this app and let's check out what games can we download. And Happy Mod is a game where it's not a game, it's an app where you can download any game, like, which you pay money. I think you can even download GTA games here. See, there's Minecraft here, which you can download. Minecraft mod, actually it's not a complete Minecraft, it's a complete Minecraft Pocket Edition, but it's a modded version. So there are multiple kinds of modded here, so you can choose the most recommended version, 81% working. Sometimes it doesn't work, but 95% it will work. 5% it doesn't work, only sometimes. So this version is suitable for version 2.3 and above. So over here you can unlock all the skins, but I'm not sure, I have not tried them before. And above, unlock all the skins, whatever. So the mod is to unlock all the skins and like all those. So I'll show you how to download Minecraft again for free. Means I have already downloaded. It's not again for free. I'll show you how this Minecraft really works. Whoa. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so this is the Minecraft, but it's actually a Chinese version. But Minecraft is from Japan, but it's Happy Mod is from Chinese version. But it doesn't matter. What can you do? It's not banned though, but it doesn't matter. So you can play Minecraft. I'm telling you, it's 100% working. Try it out. If you have any problem, comment down below. You can comment it down below. So I'm playing this from like last year or something, and yeah, I'll show you. It legit really works, guys. It legit really works. You remember we did a live stream on Minecraft. What is this? Something's happening. Okay, there was some app downloading. So see guys, I'm in the nether. Actually last time I responded to nether, and I'm in survival. Actually I use creative to get this stuff. say 100% working in your phone. It actually works in your phone. It doesn't work in other devices though. See that? But I can't see the mouse here. Yeah. So this is the Minecraft which you can play. Guys, you can play Minecraft in phone and you can play Minecraft in phone. Yeah, so I hope you understood how to play Minecraft. I'll just give you a small recap. How to download Minecraft for free. I'll just give you a small recap how to download Minecraft for free. Just open your Google or any other browser like Chrome, Google, Firefox. Not Firefox. It doesn't work in laptops and iOS like Apple phones. It doesn't work in Apple iPhones. It doesn't work in iPads. No Apple products, no Windows, no. It only works in Android phones. Like all the other phones except Apple, Android. It works in that itself. So if you're lucky enough to have I'll just give you a small recap how to download this app again. So just go to your Google browsers and just type Happy Mod, and there's the Happy Mod icon will appear. Type Happy Mod. Like I have typed Happy Mod and search. The Happy Mod icon will appear here, right here. Click the icon and wait for it to open. Yeah, it's opened. And here you can see a download applications option over here. It's completely free for 7.76 MB. Okay, so just click to download, and don't try to download any apps online. It doesn't download mostly. I'm not sure, but just download the app itself. Download app over here. Okay. I hope you understood how to download, and you can play Minecraft now in your phone, if you have Android, because I think most of the people have Android phones, and I thought about this, and it's like even I play Minecraft, even you guys wish to play Minecraft, but it's expensive. You should pay money. So this is the way how to download Minecraft for free. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. Please subscribe, smash the like button, and share this video to your friends. And this is the Pro Boy signing off. Bye bye.